Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Ashane Shabree, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I got these beautiful layered curls. So keep watching. Also, if you enjoy this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And by the way, this is a wig that I made. If you want to know any more information or would like a wig made or any of that stuff, or just bundles of hair or frontal to order, I will put all of that in my description down below. I am basically starting with the front part of my hair. So if you just get from the middle of your head and part it down, I was in a rush, so I definitely put more on one side than the other, but I kind of didn't care because I was short on time. So I was just like, I'm gonna try this and go ahead and go out the door. But you guys, be sure, if this is your real hair or if this is one of your favorite wigs, make sure to take your time, because you do not want to end up not liking how it comes out, or just messing up your wig. But this was my first time actually cutting or layering my hair myself. I'm really proud of how it came out. So again, I am just parting my head halfway, and I also parted my hair down the middle, and I'm putting the back in a ponytail. Okay, so now what you want to do is get a little bit of hair from both sides, and you can get as much as you want, but you don't need that much. This is how we're gonna pretty much start off our layering process. So I just put these two pieces together, and what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and put them in the front of my head. Pick about whatever length I decide I want. I cut about 4 inches off, just because that little longer piece of hair that I had in there. Once you guys figure out where you want your first layer to be, then go ahead and cut that off. And then you see how I'm putting the hair between my 2 fingers. You want to do minor incisions throughout the hair with your scissors. And you guys, make sure you are taking your time and really being careful on what you're doing, because there were a couple times where I kind of pinched my fingers a little bit with the scissors, and you definitely do not want to cut yourself. So after this process is done, I pretty much put the hair back where it was, and now we are going into our second layer. So I'm just taking the brush and brushing my hair together, and what I'm going to do is section it off. If you want to have more layers, I would advise to part your hair in more sections. In this video, I parted my hair in 3 sections, but I wish I probably would have did maybe 4 or 5, just because this hair I have is really thick. So now I'm just taking that hair and I'm lining it up with the other, and you want to take your hair up at an angle like how I have it, about 45-degree angle, and then you want to just cut off that hair to line up with the original cut that you made. And again, we're just going in and we're making those minor cuts in between the hair to kind of thin it out a little bit at the ends. And as you guys see, that's how it came out, and it still looks pretty good. And now I'm just brushing it out, and we're gonna go for our third layer. So now for our third layer, what we're gonna do is take all of the hair together and line it up, and you can see where the hair ended. Now I'm lifting up at an angle, and I'm going an inch away, and then I'm gonna cut that hair. And you wanna hold it up at an angle, and I'm just cutting any extra pieces of hair. Now I'm going to go ahead with the other side, and we're just doing the same process all over again. Okay, so now that is the front. So now we're going to go ahead and get to the back of the hair. So just the same way we did the front, we're going to do the back. So we're going to split that hair in half, and we're just taking it and we're parting it. And again, if I was to do this tutorial again, I would part my hair in more sections. But since I was in a rush, I just decided to make the parts a tad bit bigger. So I'm going in with one section of my hair. So you want to go from the top of your head to the bottom, and now what I'm doing is taking our first layer that we made, I'm lining it up with that first back section of hair that I have. I'm taking my fingers, and where that trailing edge ends on that first layer, that's where I'm going to cut this hair. And it seems like I'm cutting a lot of hair off, but trust me you guys, this is gonna come out great. And again, if it is your first time, maybe make your cuts like super small when you layer it. And then if you decide you wanna cut more hair off, then go through on a second pass and then you can cut more hair. But now that I've cut that piece, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off again for our second layer. And I'm just taking all of that hair together, and you don't have to worry about that front half of the hair anymore. So I'm just taking the back piece that I've already cut, lining that up with this piece of hair, and I'm going 1 inch away again from that previous cut that I've already made, and I'm gonna cut the hair at that inch mark. And again, you guys, be sure to hold your hair up at an angle. We're taking our scissors and we're making those small cuts in between the hair to thin those ends out. And now we're gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch. Okay, so now this is how it turned out, you guys. So now we are going to curl it, and we're gonna see exactly how these layers look. So here we go. All right, you guys, this is how our curls came out. This is what our layers look like. All that hard work definitely paid off because these curls are incredible. I literally loved my hair so much. And at the time, I felt like I was maybe cutting too much off, but as you guys can see, I think this is a perfect length. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. And you guys comment if you've tried this at home or if you have any other techniques that you use when cutting and layering your hair. As always, love you guys. Bye.